Children, good morning everyone. Welcome again in this physics class of machines. Firstly, we will discuss about syllabus. Machines as force, multipliers, load, effort, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency, simple treatment of levers, pulley system showing the utility of each type of machine. Scope of syllabus, functions and uses of simple machine terms, effort E, load L, mechanical advantage MA is equal to load upon effort, velocity ratio VR is equal to VE upon VL, DE upon DL, input W, output WO, efficiency eta, relation between eta and MA, VR, derivation included for all the particles, eta less than 1, a mechanical advantage is less than VR. Lever is not in my course according to the syllabus of the ICSE. Children, first, what is machine? A machine or mechanical device is a mechanical device or a structure that uses power to apply force and control movement to perform an infected action. Or a machine is a piece of equipment which uses electricity or an engine in order to do a particular kind of work. For example, machines are used as lever, wheel, pulley in a screwways and inclined plane. Very important point, machine. It is our common experience that it is easier to open a nut by the use of a wrench than to open it by hand. It is difficult to pull up a bucket of water directly from a well, but it becomes much easier to pull it up with the use of pulley. Children, functions and uses of a simple machine. The various functions of machines are useful to us in the following four ways. Number 1 point, in lifting heavy body by applying less effort. Please see figure. It is the load, it is the effort, F is the fulcrum. Effort is applied by the person. It is easier to lift it in lifting a heavy load by applying less effort. Second point, in changing the point of application of effort to convenient point. The rear wheel of a cycle is rotated by applying the effort on the pedal attached to a tooth wheel which is joined to the rear wheel with the help of chain. Thus the point of application of effort is changed from the pedal to the rear wheel. Children, it is the teeth wheel and it is the teeth wheel. It is the bigger part, it is the smaller part. A person will press the pedal, then cycle will move forward. Children, it is by the help of lifting in changing the point of application of effort to a convenient point. Children, third point, in changing the direction of effort to a convenient direction. In a bucket full of water is lifted up from well without the use of a pulley, effort has to be applied upwards. By using a single fixed pulley, it becomes possible to lift the bucket from the well by applying the effort in the downward direction instead of applying it upward. Thus, the person lifting the bucket up may also use his own weight as effort. It is the bucket, it is the effort applied by the person, it is the fulcrum. It is a single fixed pulley. It is a single fixed pulley. Single fixed pulley. Children, fourth point, for obtaining a gain in speed, a greater movement of load by smaller movement or effort. Children, see the picture. When a pair of scissors is used to cut a cloth, its blades move longer on cloth, while its handles move a little because it it has effort, it has load, and it has fulcrum. Second point, the blade of a knife moves longer by small displacement of its handle. Here the effort is more than the load. Okay? Children, very important point, a machine. It is the definition of machine. A machine is a device by which we can either overcome a large resistive force or load at some point by applying a small force or effort at a convenient point and in desired direction, or by which we can obtain a gain speed. A machine cannot be used as a force multiplier as well as the speed multiplier simultaneously. For a machine used as a force multiplier, effort is less than a load, while for machine used to obtain gain speed is equal to effort greater than load. Next, children's, I will study about technical terms related to a machine. Children, load. What is load? Load means a heavy or bulky thing that is being carried or is about to be carried a weight. Load, the resistive or opposing force to be overcome by machine is called as the load. Very important part is load. Load, the resistive or opposing force to be overcome by a machine is called as the load. Second definition, effort. Effort, the force applied on a machine to overcome the load is called as the effort. Effort, another meaning of effort is a force exerted by a machine or in a process. Okay, children, third point, mechanical advantage. Third point, mechanical advantage. The ratio of the load to the effort is called the mechanical advantage of the machine. Mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. Load upon effort. What is the mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage means the ratio of the force produced by a machine to the force applied to it, using assessing the performance of a machine. If children, next part. It is the formula of mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. If load is equal to effort, that is mechanical advantage is equal to 1. Mechanical advantage equal to 1. Second point, if effort is greater than load, second point, if effort is greater than load, then mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. Effort is greater than load, that is mechanical advantage is less than 1. Children, listen. Effort is greater than load. Effort is very greater than load, the mechanical advantage is less than 1. If children, mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort, if effort is less than load, if effort is less than load, then mechanical advantage is greater than 1. Okay, children? Children, fourth point, velocity ratio. The ratio of the velocity of effort to the velocity of load is called the velocity ratio of the machine. It is represented by VR. VR is equal to velocity of effort VE upon velocity load. If dl and de, the distance moved in the same time t by the load and the effort respectively, then velocity of load VL is equal to dl upon time, velocity of effort is equal to de upon t. What is the definition of velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called as the velocity. It is the formula of velocity load, that is dl upon dt t, and velocity of effort is equal to v equal to dg d e upon t. what is the according to this point, if dl and de, that resistance moved in the same time t by the load and effort respectively, then velocity of load vl is equal to dl upon t. Children, vl equal to dl upon t and v equal to d upon t. Therefore, velocity ratio is equal to d upon t upon dl upon t. That is, t is cancel out. Therefore, velocity ratio is equal to d upon dl. Therefore, velocity ratio is equal to d upon dl. What is the definition of what is the next part? What is the definition of work output, work input and output? Work input is a work done on a machine equal to the effort force times to the distance through which the force is applied. The work done on the machine by the effort is called the work input. Work input is equal to work done by the effort. Children, next point, work output. In another meaning of the work output, it is work that is done by a machine equal resistance force times the distance through which the force applied. That is, work output is equal to the work done by the machine on a load is called as the work output. Work done on the load. 7th point, efficiency. Efficiency of a machine, or in another meaning of efficiency, it is the energy is a key principle in physics, as it allows work to be done. The rate at which energy is transferred is called the power, and the amount of energy that is usefully transferred is called as the efficiency. Children, very important point, efficiency. Efficiency of a machine is the ratio of the work done on load by the machine to the work done on the machine by the effort. It is represented by eta. It is the formula of efficiency, that is the work output upon work input, W output upon W input. Efficiency is equal to work output upon work input into 100 in percentage form.